Hi there, it's Pyro Sag. I've got another leaflet here for the supermarket fireworks for 2024. This is Aldi. They're on sale now and they'll be there until the 6th of November. So they've just got an order form this year, so it's not a full leaflet. So I'll start off at the top there. Number 1, 10-inch gold sparklers. They are 99p. Then we've got the 12-inch gold sparklers, 12 pack. That's $1.99. Number 3, we've got the low noise sorcerer selection box. That's a 10-piece box and it's $5.99. I think that's the cheapest out of all of the supermarkets for a selection box. Then number 4, quiet skies. That's got 17 pieces inside and that's $9.99. Number 5, that's a Hawkeye pack of rockets. There's 10 pieces in there, $9.99. Then we've got Reach for the Stars, another low noise selection box, 17 pieces again, and that's $19.99. Razzle Dazzle, that is a 12 shot cake, $5.99. Number 8, got Skymaster, another pack of rockets there, that's 20 pieces, $19.99. Then we've got Snap Crackle Bang selection box, that's got 20 pieces, that's $29.99. Then we've got the Jubilee selection box, that's got 19 pieces, it's $39.99. Then we've got the Big Boom selection box, that's got 15 pieces, it's $49.99. And then let's go to number 12, so that's Phoenix Rising. I think this is the biggest of the selection boxes they've got. It's 27 pieces and it's $69.99. And here we've got number 13, Uproar. So this is a cake. I think it's mainly comets and missiles. It's 130 shots and it's $19.99. And then we've got Sky Shatterer. This is another barrage, 63 shots, £24.99. And then here are the larger cakes. So you've got Lightning Force, which is 132 shots for $39.99. And then finally you've got the Boss, which is 138 shots for $49.99. So that's all of them there. I'll just show you the order form, where it's got all of the prices and the description. Thank you very much.